Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, and a lint-free cloth. Make sure you have thermal paste ready for application. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible to ensure safety during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around these components. Use the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe away any dust or debris. Now, carefully unscrew the heatsink from the CPU and GPU. Keep track of the screws, as they may be of different lengths. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste. Using the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, gently clean off the old paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are completely clean and free of residue. After cleaning, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the thermal paste is applied, carefully reattach the heatsink, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fastened to ensure optimal heat transfer. After this, replace the back panel of your laptop, aligning it properly before securing it with the screws. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Remember, regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and lifespan. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.